Hello everyone, and I am just getting ready here to tear apart my Powerbook G4. It was my trusty computer in college. I actually got it from a family friend after one of my Windows machines died, and I needed a computer to get through my last bit of the school year, and I was profoundly impressed with it even then, just because it was already an old computer and how well it performed despite its age, and it was a converting force to my using MacBooks for a long time. And I've tried to keep it around even after it became very much obsolete thanks to Apple's discontinuing PowerPC support. And I installed a PowerPC version of Ubuntu Linux on it and got to know Linux a little bit through it. So it's been a really cool experience owning this thing. And I was pretty sad when the logic board finally died. So I decided I would try ripping this whole thing apart and getting it totally empty so I could reuse the case in a new creative way. And try to just keep it going in some little form because it is a charming old laptop here. So if you decide to try to tear apart an old laptop, my bits of advice would be really watch out for any sharp edges in there. A lot of the aluminum bits were very, very razor sharp. I did cut myself a few times just trying to get at certain things, and that's probably because they don't think to file those things down since they're expecting people to go rummaging around inside their machine. And I used, as you can see there, I'm using my phone a bit, an iGuide from my Fix-It to help guide the process and figure out maybe where some of my missing bolts were that were keeping things from falling out and having those why won't it come loose moments. So having a guide was very much something I would recommend. And as you can see, I even took the screen apart. I'm always fascinated by just how thin the bezels are on the Powerbook G4 compared to even my modern MacBook. And I wish they were just as thin on my modern MacBook as this because it looks super nice. So as you can see, I took out the battery pack and saved that back plate there because I wanted it to fill in the hole where the battery pack goes. And I removed the internals to make room for this battery pack for a string of LED lights that I threaded through the hinge and then ran up to the Apple logo to make it still glow. Because again, my goal is to make this cute little briefcase that looked like a working computer, but surprise, it's just a case for goodies. So I put in felt and lined the felt along like the screen and the insides to help keep anything from getting damaged by any sharp or bumpy edges. I still have to watch out for the keyboard spot though, because it's still pretty sharp. Yeah, some backlighting too is a benefit from those LEDs. I put in a paper clip on the screen just so that way it could help hold documents in place when the Mac or Powerbook is closed. And the keyboard still pops in and out, so you can pop it out and hide goodies on the inside, like nice pens or Post-its. And in this way, this old Powerbook still continues to be a useful, lasting device.